So, guys, I gotta say something. A new strat inside of animal company is not what you think. Is that you have a bag, gadgets, teleporter ball, put a ball inside of it. You have a friend, but I'm just gonna do this by myself. You have a friend. He stays here, or your friend stays here. You're of course supposed to have this activated. So just let me activate it first. So then after you activate it, it should it stays inside the bag. So yeah. So I'm thinking. I was just about to sell myself. Yeah, I was thinking that always trying to do that. Like, I throw in a teleporter ball, it does that. So, I'm just gonna go right back to the thing. What I was talking about is that you go to sewers by yourself, but I don't go to sewers anymore now. Why? It's because it scares me. It scares me now, since I don't remember the area I need to go now. So yeah, that's the part I do not like about that area. Pew pew. Wait, bro. I'm sure a target place. Guess they're doing the county. Me.